Did you know that, according to recent research, nearly 60% of adults don't have enough money saved to cover a $1,000 emergency? And here's the problem. Almost a third of these people have to take out loans to pay for it. Loans mean interest, and interest means spending more money in the long run. But fear not, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tricks that will not only help you avoid expensive loans, but will also help you save more money. Hey, my name is Beal, and I am on a mission to help you secure your financial future. We all know how crucial it is to save money, whether it's for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply to build a financial safety net. But let's be real, saving can be a challenge, especially with unexpected expenses lurking around the corner. That's why I have something special for you today. If you want to know the secret of how to change your financial mindset and have the mindset of a millionaire, in the first pinned comment, there is a link where I recommend 5 books that everyone who wants to achieve financial freedom should read. So take a look there. Trick number 1, create a budget. Now let's get into the first trick that can really change the game for your finances. Creating a budget. Why? Well, imagine that your money is like a car. Without a map or GPS, you can easily get lost. The budget acts as your financial guide, pointing you in the right direction and helping you reach your destination, which is your financial goals. So, where to start? The good news is that creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. You can use a simple Excel spreadsheet, Google Sheets, or even a budgeting app for real-time monitoring. Start by listing all your sources of monthly income, such as salary, freelance work, or other earnings. Then list all your monthly expenses, from rent or mortgage to utility bills, food and entertainment. Here's the secret. Once you've calculated your income and expenses, subtract your expenses from your income to determine how much money you have left. This is key to budgeting success, as you can direct this money towards savings or paying off debt. And remember, it's not just about creating the budget. It's important to constantly monitor your expenses. Use detailed categories and update your budget regularly to ensure you're on track. This way, you stay in control and don't let expenses get out of control. Trick number 2, cut unnecessary expenses. That you know how to create a budget, it's time to delve into the second trick, cutting unnecessary expenses. To explain this, I will share a brief personal story. A few years ago, I was spending a significant amount on gourmet coffee every morning. When I did the math, I realized I was spending over $100 a month on coffee alone. I decided to make my coffee at home. I invested in a good coffee machine and thus saved $100 a month by cutting a simple coffee. However, I didn't stop there. I noticed that one of the most common areas where people spend too much is on eating out. For many of us, these extra expenses can become a black hole for our finances, draining our money quickly. Breakfast on the way to work, quick lunches and dinners at restaurants can add up to a considerable amount at the end of the month. Consider preparing meals at home and bringing lunch to work. Not only does this save you money, but it can also be healthier. Another major financial villain is unused subscriptions. It may be easy to sign up for streaming services, gym memberships, or magazines, but if you're not actually using them, you're throwing money down the drain. Take inventory of all your subscriptions and cancel the ones that aren't adding value to your life. And what about energy? We often forget to turn off lights, appliances, or adjust the thermostat when we are not at home. This results in energy bills that are higher than they need to be. Invest in low-energy LED bulbs and learn how to use your thermostat efficiently. Remember, cutting expenses doesn't mean giving up everything you like. It's about making conscious choices to ensure your money is spent wisely. If you've had any victories in cutting expenses, share your story in the comments. And now, let's move on to the next trick that will put more money in your pocket. The third trick is automating savings. Automation is like having a personal assistant for your finances, working 24/7 without fail. I will explain how this works and why it is so effective. Automating savings is the practice of setting up automatic money transfers from your checking account to a savings account or investment account. In other words, you pay yourself first. When your salary enters the account, a portion of it immediately goes into savings or investing, before you have a chance to spend it on impulsive purchases or non-essential expenses. This approach has several advantages. First, it ensures you save regularly, creating a healthy financial habit. Second, It takes away the temptation to spend all your available money because you simply don't see those funds in your checking account. And third, over time, the money saved can grow substantially thanks to compound interest. Imagine you are building a solid financial house, brick by brick, and automation is the best way to keep this process consistent and efficient. The fourth trick that can make a big difference to your bank balance is take advantage of cashback and rewards. This strategy is like making money while you spend. And the best part is that you don't have to change your shopping habits to make it happen. The idea behind this is simple. Companies want your loyalty and are willing to reward you for it. There are several ways to earn cashback and rewards, and I'll show you some of them. First, credit cards with rewards programs are a great way to earn cashback, or points that can be redeemed for rewards. By choosing a credit card with rewards that align with your lifestyle, you can earn cash back on every purchase. Just make sure you pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest. Additionally, there are cashback apps that offer rewards for your everyday purchases. These apps work simply. You make your purchases at partner stores through the app and earn a percentage of the amount spent back. It's like having an automatic discount coupon on all your purchases. Another way to earn rewards is through loyalty programs. Many stores and brands offer programs where you accumulate points or receive exclusive discounts as a reward for being a loyal customer. Here's an important tip. To maximize your cashback earnings, always check if the store you're shopping at offers any rewards programs or partners with a cashback app. Combine this with the smart use of rewards credit cards, and you'll be on your way to saving a significant amount over time. If you want to understand more about how to make money with credit cards and loyalty programs, a card is now appearing on the screen where there is a video explaining all this. We come to the fifth money-saving trick, negotiating and buying smart. Many people underestimate the power of negotiation and strategic purchasing, but the truth is that these skills can save you a considerable amount of money over time. First, let me emphasize the importance of negotiation. If you don't ask, you don't receive. Sellers are often willing to reduce prices or offer discounts if you simply ask. This is especially true with high-value purchases like electronics, vehicles, or even services like home repairs. Here are some strategies for negotiating lower prices. Research prices before buying. Knowing the average prices of the product or service you want to buy helps with negotiation. If you know the fair value, you will have more confidence to ask for a discount. Be friendly and polite. A respectful and friendly approach can often open doors to successful negotiations. Don't underestimate the power of effective communication. Be willing to give up something. Sometimes you can negotiate a lower price if you are willing to accept different payment terms or opt for a more basic model. In addition to negotiation, buying smart is another valuable skill. This involves comparing prices, using coupons, and taking advantage of promotions. One of the best ways to save is to simply be patient. If you can wait for a sale, you will usually save a significant amount. The internet is a great ally when researching prices and searching for coupons. There are many websites and apps that can help you find the best deals. Additionally, sign up for newsletters from your favorite stores, as they often offer exclusive coupons to subscribers. With these smart negotiating and purchasing strategies in mind, you'll be ready to save more money than you ever imagined. And remember, every dollar saved puts you closer to reaching your financial goals. Now that we've explored these 5 tricks, you have the tools you need to save money quickly. Share in the comments below which of these tricks you will try and which one has already worked for you. Let's continue learning and growing together financially. Now that you know these 5 amazing tricks to save money quickly, it's time to take action. Change starts with small steps, and each of these tricks can make a big difference to your finances. So, choose one of them to start with and gradually incorporate all these smart financial habits into your life. If this video was useful to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next financial tips and tricks for a healthier financial life. Also share with your friends and family, because everyone deserves to know how to save money and achieve their financial goals. Until next time, and good investments.